In this quick video, we'll show you how to open Salesforce records directly from Excel using Excel Connector. Whether you're working with one record or dozens, it's super simple. Let's start with a single record. Say you've loaded a list of opportunities into Excel using Excel Connector. You want to jump into one of them in Salesforce to see all the details. Simply click on the cell with the ID of the record you want to open. Now look at the Excel Connector ribbon at the top. You'll see the Open in Salesforce button. Click it, and boom, that opportunity opens in a new browser tab in Salesforce. You're now viewing the full record with all its details, related lists, and everything else. Now, what if you need to review or work on several records at once? Excel Connector makes this easy too. Select multiple rows with record IDs, or use Control-click to pick individual rows scattered throughout your list. Once you've selected all the records you want, click Open in Salesforce from the ribbon. Excel Connector will open each of those records in separate browser tabs so you can quickly jump between them, compare information, or make updates without switching back and forth manually. It's a massive time saver when you're juggling multiple records. That's it. Watch all Excel Connector tutorial videos to unlock the full potential of your data management.